Children are wired to move, to touch, to explore, to make sense of the world with their whole bodies. But today, most children spend more time indoors than ever before. Sitting, watching, scrolling, it overstimulates their minds and undernourishes their senses. So we see the signs like restlessness, outbursts, short attention spans, and we start to wonder, am I doing something wrong? But what if it's not you? It's not even your child. What if it is the environment? Let's explore together the power of nature as the ultimate classroom in our next masterclass on September 14th. And if you're interested, just comment nature and I will send you the link.